The error that computer turns on and off can be caused by several reasons, and it is a difficult issue. So, to find out and fix the problem that computer turns on then shuts off and repeats is an important thing. This video will show you how to fix it. The error that computer turns on and off can be caused by several reasons, and it is a difficult issue. So, to find out and fix the problem that computer turns on then shuts off and repeats is an important thing. This video will show you how to fix it. My computer is running in boot system, and when I press F1 to continue, the system is not booting and shutting down, showing the same problem. I checked my power supply, mine is fine. Check yours or show technician what happened in my case. My operating system is corrupted, so I will install OS if you have same problem. Then install operating system like me. We will install the operating system on the bootable pen drive. As I am creating a bootable pen drive with Rufus software, you can do the same. OS issues are another culprit for random PC shutoffs. These are especially common after upgrading to newer versions of Windows. The problem is easy to diagnose by resetting your computer to its factory or default setting. This allows you a chance to decide whether you will reinstall the new Windows version or downgrade to the former version. Additionally, you get to keep your data and files but still lose previous personal settings and installed software and programs. You could also opt to reinstall the OS. In this case, remember to back up all your data and files as they will be lost during the reinstallation. Possibly defective power supply. Verify the power supply is functional. A faulty power supply can result in not enough, if any, power getting to the motherboard, causing the computer to shut off immediately or not turn on at all. Many online computer retailers sell power supply testing units under $20. In the event of a bad power supply, the only remedy is to replace it with a new one. Fixing a power supply is not an economical solution, if possible at all. Overheating. If your computer is new or the motherboard was recently replaced, make sure the thermal compound is properly applied to the processor. If the heat is not being properly transferred from the processor to the heat sink, it can overheat very quickly. Because of the potential of damage to hardware that overheats, if the computer exceeds a set temperature, it is automatically turned off. Processor or motherboard issue. The processor is like the brain of the computer. If it fails, many issues can occur. One possibility is that the computer is not able to start up properly, resulting in an immediate shutoff. Running diagnostic tests to detect possible processor problems helps in the troubleshooting process. If defects are detected with the diagnostic tests, you likely need to replace the processor to resolve the problem. If the processor turns out okay, check the motherboard. This task can be rather difficult since the issue could be anywhere in the circuitry. A faulty, failing, or malfunctioning circuit or component, e.g. capacitor, can cause the computer to shut off immediately or not turn on at all. To help find potential problems with the motherboard, perform a visual check for blown capacitors or burnt circuitry that indicates the motherboard is damaged. After doing these things, turn on the computer. I hope the computer will start without any problem. Before you fix it yourself, you must know about computer, and after watching this video, if computer is any other problem, then it is your fault. If the computer is still the same problem, be sure to visit a computer expert or a nearby computer repair shop. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.